Describe a time when you had to wait in a long queue, in a long line. So first you have to say when it was. Second, how long the queue was. Third, what it was about and how you felt about it. So first, what you do, you can take the paper and you can write them down if you want so many points. First thing, yes, brother.
This is a story of 2016, and probably I do not remember the actual date of that day. It's when that prime minister announced that old currency won't be accepted. You have to change the old currency with a new one. I'm talking about that story.
Okay.
That was the time I was into a queue, and that was a huge means a queue was too long, and it took around 3 to 4 hours. I have to be in a queue for around 2 to 3 hours to
I had to be there 2 to 3 hours, right?
just to
Okay.
exchange my old currency with a new one.
Okay.
uh, because like demonetization wasn't done that perfectly by the government, because they suddenly announced that your old currency won't be accepted. As soon as they announced, everyone was panic, because everyone do have a hard cash, so they just need to exchange that. So I was one among them. I just buyed some stuff which were not necessary for me. Then too, I do have a huge amount of cash with me.
I did have a.
I did have a huge amount of a cash with me. So I did one thing. I just for the next day I just rushed to a bank, and I was into a queue. That was a too long queue.
Right.
So I was waiting for around 3 to 4 hours into that queue,
Okay.
and I just exchanged around 4,000 rupees. My
Okay.
old currency 4,000 with a new two piece of notes.
Okay. Okay. And how the what were people doing there at that time?
Yeah, no one wasn't knowing about this scenario, what's
Okay.
gonna be, what they have to do, because everyone thinks that if it's not, this currency won't be working, they must go and exchange with the bank, and bank is the only solution in everyone's like a bank is the only solution, because if you want to change your currency, or if you are connected with any kind of currency, you have to visit to a bank. So
Okay.
everyone just rush to a bank.
Right.
So, and I was one among them, because I do have a cash. I do need to exchange that old
Right.
currency with a new one.
And lastly, how did you feel at that time?
uh, as I have to postpone all my work, I
Okay.
have to delay all my work. So I was a bit nervous, because on that day I was scheduled with some many things, some important things.
Right.
So I just felt that if the government have taken an initiative, if they would have planned properly, so no
Right.
one has to wait in a long queues.
Well said. Yeah. Well said. Okay. See, some feedback, brother. I want to give. Listen. Always, I think past tense is a problem. Sometime for you, like not all the time, but sometime I find like grammatical mistake here. For example, instead of saying has to be there, had to be there. Similarly, I do have, I did have, because we're describing the demonetization which happened in 2017, I think so. Similarly, I had been like I was waiting for 20 minutes, 20 hour, 2 hours, sorry, 3 hours. So we can say I had been waiting. In the present tense, we say I have been waiting. Similarly, past tense, I had been. Won't be working, wouldn't be working, because we're describing the past tense. Will become would. Okay. So I think, brother, your problem is the past tense. Subhanallah. Like here also, like have to, had to. I had to wait.